About algorithm, you just have to swap the element if it is greater than its next element. Okay, means the 4 is greater than 1, then I will swap it, and I will swap until it reaches its original position. Okay, so let's do this. This is the one of the simplest sorting algorithm. So first you have to create int n equals to array dot size, which will store the size of an array, and then traverse through the array for int I equals to 0, and then I less than n minus 1, and then I plus plus. And in same way you have to create another loop for int j equals to 0 and j less than n minus I minus 1, and then j plus plus. And you have to check if array of j is greater than array of j plus 1, then you just have to swap the array of j comma array of j plus 1. Okay, let's run this code. You don't have to return anything because this is the kind of a void function. So let's run this code. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.